69% of you guys haven't subscribed yet, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kurt CoBytes. Today, we're diving into the world of command prompt, also known as CMD. On Windows, whether you're a total beginner or just curious about what CMD can do, this video will guide you step by step. First off, what is command prompt? Command prompt is a Windows program that lets you communicate with your computer using text-based commands. Think of it as talking directly to your computer. Instead of clicking buttons, it's powerful, fast, and can help you do things that aren't always possible with just a mouse. To open it, press Windows R, type CMD, and hit enter, or search for command prompt in your start menu. Let's start with some basic commands that everyone should know. dir lists all files and folders in the current directory. cd means it changes directories. For example, if you type cd A, it means I'm going to the folder A. If you type cd ... moves up one folder level. mkdir creates a new folder. For example, if you type mkdir folder, it creates a folder called folder. rmdir deletes a folder. For example, if you type rmdir folder, it deletes, only if it's empty. However, if the folder contains files or folders, you'll need to run rmdir/s/q to delete the files or folders recursively. cls clears the screen. These basic commands will help you navigate your files without ever opening File Explorer. Next, a few commands that are extremely useful as you get comfortable with CMD. The copy command copies a file. For example, if you type copy text.odt, it copies the file to the destination. The del command deletes files. For example, if you run del text.odt, it deletes that specific file. Remember, some commands can change or delete your files, so always double check before hitting enter. Here are a few tips to make your CMD experience smoother. Press tab to autocomplete folder names. Use up and down arrows to navigate your command history. Run command prompt as administrator to access advanced commands. That's it for our command prompt tutorial for beginners. I hope this gives you confidence to explore CMD on your own. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover advanced CMD tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching.